All right, yo, what's going on, guys? I'm just sitting here enjoying a sandwich and some chocolate chip cookies from Firehouse. If you guys know what Firehouse is, that shit's fire. Having a meatball parm. But here's the point of this video, right? Today we were out all day, just recording content, taking photos, going to the beach. I just shot like 8 IGTV videos, including this one that we're doing right now. I recorded 2 YouTube videos. I did 8 TikTok videos at the beach too. We had like 2 random people come up to us. And they were basically like, they saw us with the car and like in front of the beach and whatnot. And they decided to come and shoot pictures, which you're gonna be seeing because they're doing them for free, which is dope as shit. I'm gonna tag them somewhere on my story soon so you guys can follow them. They were from Houston. I guess they were here like on vacation or something. But it was pretty dope like meeting them. So also there was a guy too who drove past us and was like, yo, I've seen you from your fucking ads. And I was like, oh shit, that's dope. But there's a lot of things that I don't want to do in my business, but I have to do to move the needle, right? And there's a lot of things that we don't like to do and that are boring and that like require like a lot of effort and are just so like mind exhausting. Like for me, recording content all day so I don't have to do it tomorrow on a Sunday, it's just, it honestly is really fucking exhausting. Like for me to come up with new ideas, you know, my lips get parched. I'm like, I start to get delirious. I want to go to sleep. Like I'm sitting here eating a meatball sandwich with 2 fucking chocolate chip cookies. Like this is a weird scene. But that's just like, that's just the shit. It's like, I don't want to do some of this stuff. So I'm just chilling for the rest of the day. But there's a lot of things that we don't want to do because like, and this is the thing too. It's not that people are lazy. It's that sometimes they're just not passionate about those tasks they need to get done. Like when I'm passionate about shit, that shit gets fucking done. Like, and there's a lot of things that Dave likes to do that he gets done fast. A lot of things that he doesn't fucking like to do that takes him days to fucking complete. So there's things that like we just don't want to do. And that's fine because we're humans and that's normal. But like, yeah, just there's a lot of shit that's going to make you a lot of money that is just boring as fuck. And sometimes that's content for me. Like I don't want to sit there and record for 6 hours. Like I'd rather not, to be honest. But putting out 3 pieces of content on IG and posting on YouTube and all these things, like that makes me a lot of money. So I have to do it. But yeah, guys, move the needle and stop fucking around.